Today I'm setting up my February planner pages using the Cookie Hearts theme set for my Hobonichi Cousin. I've got the monthly cover, monthly dashboard, the monthly pages itself. And I'm going to start by putting the cover on the January 31st page. I usually just use the last page of the prior month, and I like having that cover there just to delineate it. And now I'm setting up a dashboard on that little initial page prior to each month. This is where I put my dashboard for my overall goals and tracking for the month. So I've got several different sections here that I set up. And then I will be choosing labels to put on each one as well. For this month, next month, and then goals and celebrations. Now flipping over to the February monthly page itself, you can see the cute cookie hearts there. This set has a lot of different coordinating washi. And because it's February, a short month, there are a lot of extra days to cover this time. I do that just because I like the extra color and decoration. And now putting on date covers. I don't always take the time to do that. It's a little bit tedious, but I do like having the color on there. Extra washi on the top. And then I put my monthly overall to-do list there. And I've got a lot of recurring things that happen each day. Sports schedules and team schedules and things to manage for the family. So I put those all here just so I can visually see which days have something and which days are free. This month, at the end of the month, I get to do something a little bit different for me. I'm going to go do some cat sitting, which will be so fun. And that will be at the end of the month. So I used one of the little washies just to sort of block out that time. Now I'm going in and just making note of the things that are going on. We've got a couple of days off of school. And then I'm starting in with putting in the places that I need to be and times that I need to be there to pick up and move kids around and get everybody to their activities. I'm a very visually oriented person. With my ADHD, I know it seems repetitive to write these things over and over again, but it helps me kind of solidify what I've got going each day. And I reference back to this weekly and daily to keep track of what's happening. If it's not visually there for me, it's not happening. I just can't remember. And something in the action of writing helps cement that into my brain as well. So not only is it pretty for me, but it also has a functional purpose of just helping me get it together. I'm really looking forward to the cat sitting. I have cats that are outside cats. We have barn cats that help us keep the mice away from our goats and from the house. But due to some allergies in the family, they can't be inside, at least at my house. So I'm looking forward to being in an indoor setting with my niece and nephew cats, so to speak. I really enjoyed getting into fountain pens. It really is a rabbit hole to fall down if you're interested in something like that. This one is the Platinum Preppy, which is just a very basic starter pen, and it's really nice. This one I'm using is the 0.3 millimeter, which is good for a smaller setting like this. I have a 0.5 millimeter too, and that's nice, but it's a little bit thicker. So I would use that more for like headings and bigger lettering, I think. The 0.3 is good for writing just in small areas like this. And that's the one I go to most often. Now I'm doing my to-do list, and this is not comprehensive, but this is just the major things that I want to make sure I look at and take care of this month. I do reference this frequently. Every week when I sit down to do my weekly planning, I go look at the month and I see which things I want to focus on. I also use a Google document. I use Google Sheets, and I have a big master plan there to keep just the more granular details about what I want to be accomplishing with my sticker business and with my life goals. But this is sort of just to filter down and say what is happening this month. Pausing to think. And then I went back to January really quick to see what did I not do from January. I didn't clean the chicken coop. Surprise, surprise, that needs to happen. And I avoided it. So that's going to definitely need to be done this month because it's gone too long. On a personal note, I'm trying to incorporate more reading for fun. Ordered a whole bunch of books lately on different things. And now that my February monthlies are set up, I will start going week by week and setting up the weekly pages and the daily pages as well. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Bye.